everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul on some stuff that I got for Black Friday. So I have a couple boxes here. Hopefully my address isn't on this front one, but yeah. So I got two of my Black Friday things yesterday. I'm waiting for one more, but I decided I would do this video because the other one is completely unrelated to makeup. It's actually from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova, their shipping honestly takes forever, so that's the only Black Friday thing I'm currently waiting for. Alright, I'm having like camera angle issues today. Alright, so yeah, currently the only thing I'm really waiting for from Black Friday is my Fashion Nova stuff, and I will do a try on haul for that. Maybe like a boyfriend rates my fiance rates my outfits type video, we'll see. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I'm uploading every day of December until the 25th. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and get started with the, you know what, because I don't have a lip product on my lips if you guys didn't notice, and I'm not wearing any highlighter because I have a highlighter in this box and some lip products and some lip products in this one as well. So I'm going to just pick one thing from each box, try it on for you guys, and I'm going to be doing a whole separate video on everything that's in here, just like a first impression review type thing. I just don't have time today because I'm headed to work. Also, usually the first few days that I get my lashes done, I don't wear any eyeshadow. It's my trick for making them last longer. If you have lash extensions on, I recommend waiting like maybe 3 to 4 days before putting any eyeshadow on your lid, and honestly, my lash extensions last me about a month. So maybe in a few days when I can actually wear makeup on my eyes, I'll try out some of this stuff for you. So the first box I have here, the white one, was from Dose of Colors. And can you guys guess what I got? I've wanted this for literally like 3 years, and it shows up as limited edition on their website, but they've literally had it for 3 years, you know? So everything on Dose of Colors, I believe, went on sale for 30 to 40% off on Black Friday, so I picked up a few things. This total for 3 different things was like $80 Canadian, which is kind of a lot, but reasonable, I guess, for 3 items and like a palette and 2 lip colors, you know what I'm saying? So it's justifiable, but it's still a lot of money, and I probably won't be purchasing from them during like when it's regular price, you know? So the first thing I got was the ice cream palette. Ice cream palette. Ooh, yay! It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, talc-free, and phthalate-free, and it's made in the USA if you are unaware of Dose of Colors. So I really like that. That's awesome. So let's just pull this out. I did this yesterday to look at the palette, and now I can't do it. Okay. There we go. So this is what the lovely palette looks like. It is beautiful. It's so pretty. It's like a pastel pink, and then there's like different colors of ice cream on the front. It's like raised, so it's kind of like a sticker, and it's like shiny. So I think that's awesome. I really like the packaging. So let's show you guys what this looks like. I literally, not even kidding you guys, I almost bought a fake one on eBay because I just really wanted this palette. Like, I just wanted the packaging just in my collection. I didn't really necessarily want to use the eyeshadows, but looking at this now, I'm definitely going to be using these eyeshadows if they are the color that they are in the pan. Like, oh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. So that's what it looks like. Oh yeah, I want to use this so bad. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Lemonade palette, but like ice cream themed, and I'm just hoping the colors in here are a little bit more pigmented than the Lemonade palette. The Lemonade palette by Dominique Cosmetics. So even if you are not really into color, I think that this would be a really nice like transitioning into playing with color a little bit type palette, because you do have your neutrals and you have your little hints of color throughout. So I think that's beautiful. That mint green, I'm so excited for. Oh my gosh. So that's the first item I picked up. Like I said, I'm going to be doing like a full like first impressions, review, swatches in a different video. Probably a different video for each one for Dose of Colors and one for Colourpop, just because I want to take pictures and everything. Oh, their packaging is actually really pretty. There's like this little bow sticker on the front. They gave me a little bit of a card to show you guys the new collection. So they have this new eyeshadow palette called Snow Angels, and it looks really pretty. I mean, if this palette is good, this one is probably going to be good too, because I just really like purple eyeshadow. Last couple things I got from Dose of Colors. Ooh, they gave me this little sticker book thing. That is so cute. These are gonna go on my notebook probably. I got another sticker that was stuck to the ice cream palette and I put it on one of my notebooks yesterday when I opened this box because it was just so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely use these. I don't know, I like it when companies do that kind of thing. So I got 2 lippies. I'm gonna try one for you guys today. I'm going to work, so it's probably going to be the neutral one. I got Bury Me Too and Stone. So these are the liquid matte lipsticks. And I just heard so much about the color Stone, so I had to pick it up. So that's what it looks like. It's a frosted bottle. I think their packaging is really, really pretty. I only have one of these and I got it from a co-worker that lives in the USA for part of the time, and she lives in Canada for part of the time. So she went to Ulta and got me one last summer and I love it. So this one is in the color Bury Me Too, and of course it's a berry color. I'm not gonna wear this today. I want to, but I'm wearing like no makeup, so we are gonna go ahead and try Stone. And then we're gonna go ahead and open the Colourpop box. So I do have to upload a video after this. I'm kind of stressing over time, but that's okay. It kind of reminds me of Jeffree Star, but like more frosted. It has like that like vanilla cupcake scent that I love. Smells so good. So that's what Stone looks like. It's everything that I was hoping it would be. It's such a pretty, like almost like it's pinky nude color. Oh, you scared me. I thought you were my mom. Okay.
I come bearing gifts.
You can't even see your face. Come here. Say hi.
Hello.
I'll be done soon. I'm just gonna film this stuff. So in my last box here, ooh, that smells so good. He bought me McDonald's, and I'm trying to be good and like healthy and stuff. Shh.
Oh, the fries are hot though.
No,
They're
no.
So hot.
You don't want to film with me? Go away. Oh my god, so good. Okay. Now even more initiative to rush this. Okay.
Smells.
So the last couple things I got from Colourpop, and it's from the Becky G collection that just came out. So this is what the beautiful collection looks like. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a first impression on this, but I'm going to be trying one of the highlighters today. I'm probably going to let him pick which one I try, just cause. So that's the packaging.
I thought your mom's calling you.
Answer it. Or let me answer it. I'm going to be trying one of the highlighters today, and then I'm going to be showing you guys everything in a separate video. So the 2 highlighters, all their names in this collection are so cute. So this is Chisme, and this is Princessa. Which one should I try? Chisme or Princessa?
Well, I can't even see which ones they are, what they look like.
Okay. So Princessa, I'm going to open first. Look at how gorgeous the packaging is. Like,
oh my god,
so
makeup.
pretty.
So pretty.
So Princessa is
I like that
this like holographic,
I like that one.
like white iridescent color.
Do that one.
And then the packaging has this beautiful like turquoise flowers all over it. Oh, this collection is so pretty. So that is Princessa. That's probably the one I'm going to be trying. And then Chisme. And in the Philippines we call it Chismis. Did you know that? You. I'm talking to you. In the Philippines, you know, gossip is called chismis. So Chisme is this beautiful gold iridescent color. See, look at the 2. Which one do you like better? Princessa?
That one.
So this is Chisme and this is Princessa. I think Chisme is more wearable for most people just because it's like that really gold, universally flattering color. But I am gonna try Princessa for you guys today. So the thing with loose highlighters is usually I have like a setting spray. I like to apply them wet, but we'll see how this goes on dry, just so I can give you guys an idea. Okay. Let's do this the right way. Let's shake it into the cap and see. So that's what it looks like in the cap. Oh, it's so pretty. It kind of looks like straight up white. Like a white powder, but watch this. My room into a glitter wonderland. Who cares about snow wonderland or like winter wonderland? It's gonna be a glitter wonderland. There's gonna be glitter everywhere. So, oh, okay. Oh, look at that highlight, you guys. I took exactly enough to do both sides. Oh man. That is pigmented. Look at that.
Okay, I'm here.
I'm glowing.
You are glowing. But
Yeah.
you don't need makeup to glow because you're guapa.
Aw, wasn't that so sweet, you guys? Well, I already did what I was asking you for help for, so.
Okay.
I don't need you. Just kidding.
Let me know when you're ready for chicken nuggets.
Oh, we'll be in 2 seconds, or in like a little while. So this collection also, if you guys were wondering, this collection, I bought the entire collection, okay? I don't know why, but I decided to buy the whole entire collection so I could review it. And there's one thing in here I did buy for one of my friends, so I'm not keeping everything. So I'm going to show you guys the palette and then the lip products. This is called the Salvaje eyeshadow palette. My best friend is going to make fun of me if she watches this video. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, but I'm probably saying it wrong. So this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I accidentally like swatched one of them. Okay. So this is what it looks like. You get a really nice variety of shimmers and mattes, and that blue is so intense. Look at that. Okay. The top color in here is called Luna. How cute is that? That's my dog's name. Anyways, this brand is also cruelty free if you guys were wondering. And then my whole room right now smells like McDonald's. I just want to eat because I'm really, really hungry right now. But I'm going to show you guys the lip products and then I'm going to go eat. So the first thing I got was called Chola, and it's a liquid ultra matte lip. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. I really like when she did this like blue turquoisey color scheme. I think that's so pretty. So Chola is what you'd expect it to be. It's like a brown kind of mauve-y color. Next one is called Secreto, and this is an ultra matte satin lip. Ultra satin lip. I'm not a huge fan of their ultra satin lips. I like their ultra matte lips a little bit better, but I'm willing to try this color out because it's so pretty. It's kind of like a peachy nude color. The next one is in the color Floor, and this is a ultra satin lip. I actually think this is the one. Nope, this is a different one. Wow, I don't have anything like this actually. It's kind of like a terracotta orange color, like a terracotta mixed with an orange. It's really unique. 2 more, you guys. So this next one is called Besame. Besame. I think it's Besame. No, I don't know. Hey, you with the face. How do you say Besame?
How does it spell?
B-E-S-A-M-E.
That sounds right.
Besame?
Besame.
I think it's Besame. So this is a really pretty color as well. I wear this kind of color pretty frequently. It's like a more wearable red. I would say this is very similar to Kylie's Chris lipstick. I think it's called Kristen lipstick. So it's very similar to that. It's kind of like a soft red, very nice, very wearable if you're not into super bright red. And I believe the last one is the one I'm giving to my friend. It's a ultra satin lip, and it's in the color Mija. No, this wasn't the one. I thought there was a bright red in this collection. I could have sworn there was. This I'm keeping because this is a really gorgeous nude color. So it looks like that. It's kind of like a pinky tone nude, very similar to what's on my lips right now, but I would say a little bit less pink and more on the peachy side. So that is Mija. And I think this is going to be my favorite out of the whole collection. So I'm going to do a thumbnail and end this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my haul. I will see you soon. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next Vlogmas. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Bye!